Now, what does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say about hypocrites? Is it okay to be a hypocrite? It's a form of lying, right? Remember when we thought about the trust equation, which we'll be bringing back here in a second? It's a form of lying, right? Because we're not being honest. If you're being honest, you're not going to be two different people. You're going to be the same person, right? But if you have two people like this, what does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say about it? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Tawbah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised that hypocrite men and hypocrite women, He's promised them the fire of hell. Allah goes so far as to say that He curses them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a special area of hell that is reserved for people who say one thing and do something else. This is a big deal. This is a big deal because this is a form of lying.